What are you doing, Sebastian?
Just measuring out this plastic we're gonna weld on this customer's air box right here so they don't have to get a new one.
What happened to it?
Looks like a rat or something chewed through it.
Oh, I do see some teeth marks. Okay. Where'd you learn how to do this?
Trade school.
Trade school? Okay. You do body shop at school?
Yeah.
You do
Only
body work?
Yeah, I've got a little bit of experience with it. So
Okay.
far.
All right. Well, let's see how you do. Let me see.